Hi friends, this is Jade, and for today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing Sudio TOLV. I am very grateful to Sudio for this third collaboration with Sudio wireless earphones. I will be reviewing this amazing wireless earphones and gifting you a 15% discount code when you order yours at their site www.sudio.com. If you would love to try another pair of wireless earphones for your daily tasks, hope this video can help you in knowing more about it. I chose Sudio TOLV in anthracite color. The entire earphone is in black and there are little details of gold. I find it really stylish and functional at the same time. It was delivered quite fast, like the first two Sudio earphones delivered at our place. It's sealed in a box and comes with a charger case, user manual, and extra earphone tips that you may change depending on what is comfortable for your ears when you use it. In my experience, I have to change it to a smaller tip so that it could fit my ears. The things I like about Sudio TOLV wireless earphones are the following. First, it's compatible with both Android and iOS. Second, its playtime is up to 35 hours in total. It's also good for daily use as it is water resistant and has good quality, both sound and built-in microphone. I also like that it is very friendly for me to use whether for work or for leisure. And one thing about the Sudio TOLV is that you have 4 different sizes of ear tips so that we could change them to fit our ears and avoid them falling from our ears. Overall, Sudio TOLV might be a smaller wireless earphones compared to Sudio ET, which I also have in pink and in green. Check description box below for the links on both. But these earphones will let you appreciate more of the quality sound it gives and the best functions it provides, especially on busy days like I have most of the time. I hope you love this video as much as I do. You may check the discount code and other links that will help you to see more of the wireless earphones from Sudio. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!